Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm James Preston for Kalkine Media with a trending news update. Australia's central bank on Tuesday delivered a widely expected interest rate hike at its last policy decision of 2022 and said more hikes are still needed moving forward as policymakers seek to rein in inflation. Wrapping up its December policy meeting, the Reserve Bank of Australia lifted its cash rate by 25 basis points to a 10-year peak of 3.1%, the eighth hike in as many months. All 30 economists polled by Reuters had expected the RBA to go for another modest 25 basis point hike, its third in a row after a succession of half-point hikes. Governor Philip Lowe, in a statement, said the board expects to increase interest rates further over the period ahead, but it is not a preset course. The size and timing of future interest rate increases will continue to be determined by the incoming data and the board's assessment of the outlook for inflation and the labour market. The tightening trend will pause at least until February, when the central bank next meets on policy after a year-end break, giving it time to assess the impact of the hefty 300 basis points in cumulative rate hikes since May. There are signs the rate hikes may already have begun to cool the economy, with the monthly consumer inflation rate easing in October, although the recently launched data does not include utility costs. The quarterly inflation series is expected to peak at about 8% this quarter. After the policy decision was released, the local dollar edged up slightly to 67.29 US cents, with the statement appearing slightly less dovish than markets had been looking for. Markets have nudged up the expected peak for interest rates to around 3.6% by July next year, up from 3.5% before the decision. Alright, that's all for this trending news update, but make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine Media.